chilling day 2. It is around 6:02. Managa na mi guys. Day 2. Managa na to. Guys, 1K
1.5, 1.8 kilometers.
The watch is ready. Let's do this. Let's go. Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like...
Mapas ka. Ito may mag-breakfast.
1 kilometer in. Woo!
We're at the Sped Center Park. Amazing.
Pete? Is that you?
Hi, Pete.
Kaya mo naka-Drake. Dito na kami guys sa Sped Center. Na mga amigos. Okay guys, nandito na si Kaiser. Isaag siya ni Dagan. Dadaragwan. Patahan ka. Kami wa.
Hey, petihan mo niya.
Petihan ming Kaiser guys. Petihan ming Kaiser. So, you wanna live life to the fullest and you wanna extend your life, go now to life extension. Makes your life more better and even worse. Oh, my block. The bang bang. We're doing the okay guys. Zaman, what do you have to say? What do you have to say, Kai?
Tuan. So, nasaag pa na namabot. Ang ganyan, huwag ko nabot sa location.
We are in seaside of Tacloban City.
We're back in the McDonald's.
So today, we're going to watch again the floating car.
Meanwhile,
It's
What the is this? Let's dive.
Floating car. Wow. Amazing.
patay mambak dili. No. All right, day 2 McDonald's again.
It's full of rice.
My goodness me of sausage dogs.
Uh,
Okay guys, we already ordered.
no, di ko musugot kay 69 ang gipili. Yan himo 95 hangtod sa na 51.
Grabe minus. Grabe ka adog minus. Yawa nga to. Ato resibo. 195.
195. Tapos
This thing times of 400.
Eh.
Mabusad mata.
No sleep today.
No sleep, no hilamos, no tanan.
Right guys, finish eating our breakfast. We're now chilling. And now we're gonna plan to head back. We're gonna head back to the hotel. Let's go guys. Oh. In the arms of... Right team, we're now walking back to the hotel.
Walking back home.
We're not gonna ride the tricycle because we are too astig for the tricycle. What happened? Saag sa Tacloban. Oh no, there's a fight. It's still early in the morning.
They have a bad word here and it's called Nim Eroy.
Yeah.
Sila yung bad word niya rin, gitawag ko. Nim Eroy.
Still early in the morning.
Saan ka tawarin na kayo ako pa.
We're gonna go straight.
Dira ak nem di react maaram magwaray Diri ak maara magwaray, manunulay nem eroy.
Oh, pero ako ng uniform. Napo, college sa ama.
Naka-uniform mo ka.
Pero college ang ama. HLC College.
Gagal lang. Wala paperwork.
A member of AMA Education System. HLC Tacloban. It's my school. I go to school too. Share ko lang. Drake.
Muntik pa akong kunin ni God.
Hapit ko ka.
May gani kay nitukar ako Spidey sense.
Other side. Ah! Oh. We're gonna go there later. Or maybe next time. After the comp. After comp, After comp, we go here.
Bar.
Yes, we're gonna drink. We're gonna get wasted. Just kidding, we don't do that. Drink. Always drink responsibly. Sound.
Do you know who is Rose Pharmacy?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, we also got China Bank. Okay, where are we gonna go? Kendrick Lamar.
I remember this when I was 3 years old.
Damn it!
Just kidding.
Damn it! We might get lost.
Last year, April.
Evra meets. Yes. Wow. Ako senior high school, guys. My school.
So, box. Go ahead, dog.
No.
Go inside.
No.
Kaya naka-uniform naman ka.
No. Yeah.
Buhay yan. Itali na buhay sa inyo. Because you are following the rules of no jaywalking.
We can cross the road now because we're following the rules. We're using the path. You illegal mother.
Sa car.
You illegal mother.
Kaya kang car.
Unique Honda. Why is this familiar? Remember the submarine? Katong submarine ba nato nagawan? Katong submarine na nagawa.
It's only 2,000.
2,500, but for you, it will be 2,800.
No.
So guys, Joey
Okay,
is gonna take a
Oh my god.
This is our room.
Wow.
It has a one big bed. Don't mind the messiness. We got a desk. We got a desk here. We got two. We got Bibles. We got this thing to write our Bible verses. Then we have three cabinets.
I'm gonna take a shit.
CR. We have a bathroom. Very nice. Okay guys, quick update. Kami naka-parade. Igor namin. Kami naka-parade. Mag-dinner. Nga ano rin dinner.
Kami man ang mga secret weapon.
Daang metro. Kumanan.
Hayag lagi kayo aray karon gahapon kay ngit-ngit. So hayag. What's up guys? This is day 3. Nakaduha na si Kendrick guys. O si Kaiser nakaduha na sila duha. Kami ka-video happy kay ipang hago kami. Gipa-focus po nato si Kendrick. Ato gipa-focus. Amang gipa-focus si Kendrick. Namatay! Masa.
Naglain akong paminaw.
Ayog bala ka, ma'am. Proud kayo, proud na proud! Proud na proud! Proud na proud! Proud na proud ito. Proud na proud.
Event number 13.
First game guys.
Sa tong kasi? Oh, later ko. FC na FC.
Babe,
Trippings ni mo ha?
para. Musila, balik yung kidney.
Okay ba? Dong, tagasa mo dong. Dapat na ginawa. Para. Ha? Katali na ako ka sa likod ay.
Pusila, kuhay kidney.
Pagdali ka ni Chicks oh, pat ka mo. Pagdali ka ni Chicks oh, pat. Sabi mo, kaya ako. Uy, mo China. Taga China mo di ka.
Meanwhile.
Go. Go.
So guys, traffic ni karon. Yeah.
Bali na
Pauli na mi.
Hindi mo na ta sa tukuan.
Tomorrow is another day.
Yeah.
Traffic karon guys. See you soon.
See you at the hotel.